Santa Fe Plaza, the heartbeat of the city for over 400 years. It's also the end of the Santa Fe Trail, which starts in Franklin, Missouri, a key route for pioneers, traders, and adventurers heading west. Standing at the end of the trail kind of feels like standing at the edge of history.
Right off the plaza is the Palace of Governors, built in 1610, and very cool. It's the oldest public building in the U.S., and today, Native American artisans line the front, carrying on centuries of tradition.
Now this one's for the legend lovers. The Loretto Chapel houses a spiral staircase built with no visible means of support, no nails, no central beam, and constructed by a mysterious carpenter who vanished without payment. Many believe it was St. Joseph himself.
And right nearby is the St. Francis Cathedral, a stunning piece of Romanesque revival architecture that brings spiritual peace and serious photo ops. Don't miss the Fonda Hotel, a classic adobe filled with Southwest charm, history, and a rooftop bar with killer views. No trip to Santa Fe is complete without diving into the food scene. From red and green chili smothered everything to fresh tamale, blue corn enchiladas, a locally roasted coffee. Our taste buds were just as happy as our hiking boots. Some of our favorite places to dine are La Choza, Maria's New Mexican Kitchen, and Tomasitas. We will have links in the description for you to check them out. They're pretty awesome. Diablo Canyon. Wow, this place is absolutely amazing. Towering volcanic cliffs rise up on both sides, making it a dream for rock climbers and photographers alike.
And if it looks familiar, that's because it's been a filming location for movies like Cowboys vs. Aliens, 310 to Yuma, and The Ballad of Buster Scruggs. Its dramatic desert landscape has stood in for the Old West, alien planets, and everything in between.
Just minutes from Santa Fe is Hyde Park, a quiet escape into the pines with cool mountain air and relaxing hiking trails. A total contrast to the desert below, and dogs are definitely allowed here. Grizzly loved it.
If you're heading this way, don't just pass through. Stay a while, hike, explore, believe a few legends, stroll through the art galleries, take in the old southwestern charm of all the adobe buildings, and definitely catch a sunset or two. Yeah, shopping in Santa Fe. Those stores that surround the plaza, there's some pretty good price tags on things there. The Lucchese boot stores there. $1,000 pair of cowboy boots.
They loved Grizzly.
They loved, yeah. I think they wanted to make him a cowboy boot. Grizzly's big enough to make a couple pairs of cowboy boots, so we had to get out of there. We hot-footed it out of there. No pun intended.
He said, no, don't make me a boot.
Yeah. Home base when we visit Santa Fe is always Santa Fe Skies RV Park. Honestly, the name says it all. Every evening, we were treated to some of the most epic sunsets we've ever seen. Sunrises are beautiful, snow-capped peaks, it's just gorgeous. They have a bunch of eclectic artwork, some of it's steampunk style, old machines, tractors. It's a very interesting little place. It's fun to stay there. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel stories from Rolling with the Curves. Remember, life's an adventure. Roll with it.